In this short video, I'll guide you on how to create a WhatsApp community effortlessly and explain its numerous benefits for group management. With WhatsApp communities, you can organize multiple groups under one umbrella and simplify communication across large numbers of participants. Whether you're struggling to manage several groups or looking for advanced features, this tutorial is for you. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate WhatsApp features, including creating WhatsApp communities. Today, we're going to do the same for you as we explore the WhatsApp Communities feature and the steps to create your own community. Stay with me to learn how to find out the best WhatsApp feature to grow your business and make money using this app. Now, let's get started on how to create a WhatsApp community and unlock the potential of this new tool. To start, open WhatsApp and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. On the main screen, you'll notice a new Communities tab has replaced the old camera icon. Tap on it and select Start a Community. From here, you'll be prompted to fill in the necessary details, such as the community name, description, and icon. This is where you showcase what your community is about and make it easily recognizable. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with how to create a WhatsApp community under 1 minute. Once you've set up the basics, you'll need to add groups to your community. You can either create new groups or add existing ones. Remember, to add an existing group, you must be an admin of that group. If you're not, you won't be able to include it. This is one reason why you might not be able to create a community on WhatsApp Business if you don't meet the admin requirement. You can also create an announcement group, which allows only admins to send messages, making it a useful tool for keeping all members updated. Another advantage is that WhatsApp communities can host up to 50 groups under one roof, and the announcement group can include up to 5,000 members, whereas each subgroup can hold up to 1,024 participants. Additionally, if you're wondering if you can convert a WhatsApp group to a community, the answer is no, but you can add existing groups into a community. You can also invite members using a link or QR code, making it easy for people to join. Remember, by using features such as polls, file sharing, and centralized announcements, you can use WhatsApp communities to streamline communication and engagement like never before. Are you wondering about the best feature to grow your business and make money using WhatsApp? Want to know more? In this video linked here, I will walk you through what WhatsApp channels are and how to make money with them. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.